Welcome to Glucose Guide Diabestie. This video is going to walk you through all of the things that you need to know about our app in terms of the basic features. There is going to be a playlist that details out all of the features of our app, but I wanted to start by just letting you know what's here and why this app exists. So Glucose Guide is a food and nutrition app that really helps you to understand your plate and master your blood sugar. You'll stop guessing what foods work and don't work for diabetes management, all by just taking a picture. You'll be able to see insights for each of those meals as a premium user, and you'll also be able to see some of the basic nutrition as a free user. Our core glucose, meal, and activity logging are free for users, and so we like to have you here in the app, but if you're looking for a deeper analysis, that premium experience is going to be for you. One of the things that I also love that our app does is it helps you shop with confidence and decode your groceries. So if you ever feel lost in the grocery aisle, if you ever feel like I don't even know if what I'm picking up or what I'm buying is the right thing or is the thing that I need, our product analyzer and our food search tools can help you to either search for an item by name, scan by barcode, scan by nutrition label, or text search an item. You get an instant analysis, so you can search for any product and get the pros and cons and the overall health impact, as well as the ingredients and some swaps. You get a diabetes-friendly score, so it can tell you very quickly if something is going to impact your blood sugar negatively. And then you also get a set of curated picks from us. So things that we are really enjoying, that we are really liking, and that we really feel like help diabetes management. And that's all in the product guide. We also have a plate analysis tool, which helps with carb estimation. And so you snap a photo of your meal and you let us do the heavy lifting. We automatically analyze the carbs, protein, fat, fiber, micronutrients, which gives you a clear picture of all of your meal's nutritional content. So you get that instant carb counting, you can understand the impact of your meal, and then you can log that entry with just a tap and save that meal and nutritional data so you can look back on how you were doing before. We also have a map that I really love, and so this is called the Food Finder, and it helps you find access to resources in your community. And so access to food, we know, is essential, and the Food Finder helps connect you with local resources, and it helps you see where there are food banks, grocery stores, and WIC centers so that you can get the help that you need. It's confidential, it's easy to use, and you can access the support you need and get the map that helps you find what you're looking for. We also have a meal planning feature, and this is one that a lot of people ask for, and I love it. So you can take your stress out of eating well. The meal planner generates weekly plans based on your health goals and preferences. We also have a meal planner feature that helps you to make your meal planning less difficult and takes the stress out of eating well. So our meal planner generates weekly plans based on your health goals and preferences. It also details what item goes with what thing you're eating or what recipe for that week. So you get personalized diabetes-friendly meal plans that match your nutritional targets, those automated grocery lists, which are helpful. And then it's flexible and customizable. So you can swap meals out, you can add your own recipes, you can adjust your plan to fit your life. You can create your own meal plan, and it gives you lots and lots of flexibility. Those are the main tools. Those are the things that you can use within the Glucose Guide Diabetes Food Journal app. If you are not already a user, go ahead and find us at nutrition.glucoseguide.app. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'll see you there, Diabestie.